Unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, have long captivated human imagination. In 2024, we've witnessed a surge in sightings, sparking curiosity and concern. How do these encounters affect our mental health? In this video, we'll explore recent UFO incidents, their psychological impact, and effective strategies to manage any resulting stress. Stay tuned to learn more about these extraordinary events and how to cope with the unknown. 2024 has been a remarkable year for UFO sightings, with several notable incidents. Former NASA Commander Leroy Chiao's encounter. In December, Commander Chiao reported a near miss with two unidentified spherical objects while piloting his private plane over Texas. Described as metallic orbs about 3 feet in diameter, they passed within 20 feet of his aircraft, yet did not appear on radar. Chiao speculated they might be part of a military drone program, but couldn't confirm their nature. Reentry of Chinese satellite GaoJing 102. On December 24th, the defunct Chinese satellite re-entered Earth's atmosphere, creating spectacular fireballs over several southern U.S. states, including Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Missouri. Many observers mistook the debris for meteors or mysterious drones, highlighting how easily misinterpretations can occur. Pentagon's latest UFO report. In November, the Pentagon released a report revealing hundreds of new sightings of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. While no evidence suggests extraterrestrial origins, the nature of these sightings remains unexplained, underscoring the need for continued investigation. These incidents have reignited public interest and debate, leaving many to wonder about the implications of such encounters. Experiencing or even hearing about UFO sightings can have profound psychological effects. Anxiety and fear. The unknown nature of UFOs can trigger anxiety, especially when incidents are widely publicized. Stigmatization and social isolation. Witnesses may fear ridicule, leading to social withdrawal and reluctance to share their experiences. Physical symptoms. Stress from such encounters can manifest physically, causing sleep disturbances, headaches, or fatigue. Understanding these impacts is crucial for addressing the mental health challenges associated with UFO sightings. To cope with the stress from UFO encounters, consider the following strategies. Seek support. Discuss your experiences with trusted individuals or support groups to alleviate feelings of isolation. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation can help manage anxiety by grounding you in the present moment. Stay informed. Educate yourself about UFO phenomena to reduce fear stemming from the unknown. Consult professionals. If distress persists, seek help from mental health professionals who can provide personalized coping strategies. Implementing these approaches can foster resilience and improve mental well-being in the face of unexplained phenomena. The surge in UFO sightings in 2024 has captivated and unsettled many, highlighting the profound impact of the unknown on our psyche. By acknowledging these experiences and employing effective stress management techniques, we can maintain our mental health amidst uncertainty. For a more in-depth exploration of these incidents and additional coping strategies, visit our comprehensive blog post, UFO Sightings and Mental Health, Managing Stress from the Unknown. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on navigating the mysteries of our world.